how to send large videos on Gmail. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can send those large videos on Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. First is to open your Gmail app. Then at the bottom right, you can see the Compose button and click it. Once you're here, you can write anything you like. And then sample, I will send a 4 GB video. As you can see, it said the files you are trying to send exceed the 25 MB total, which means you can send any files or videos more than 25 MB. But I have another way how you do it. Just go back home and open the Google Drive app. And here, upload the video you want to send. And wait for the upload process. Once it's uploaded, you can click the 3 dots and rename this if you want. Click again the 3 dots and click the Manage Access. Here it said Restricted. Just change this into Anyone with Link. Next, click again the 3 dots and copy the link. Lastly is to go back to your Gmail Compose letter and paste the link of the video. Then send. And that's how to send large videos on Gmail. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.